Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are doing, I'm going to do a magnet. So, I've already prepped my magnet and I put my color on here. So this is Madam Glam. This is called Traditional. Madam Glam polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, palm oil free, and HEMA free. So, I did my 2 coats to my magnet. So now, stamping plates, I am going to use. It's super cute. I'm excited. Let me go on. Okay, so we are going to use this one. This one is called Monster Trucks number 311. It's so cute. Let's take the film off. We can take a better look. Let's clean it. Wipe the little fuzzies off. Okay, so we got our monster trucks. We got I Love Mud. Let's get muddy. A little dirt never hurt. We got a mud pile. We got tire marks. We got a little one. It's so cute. When my son was little, I used to take him to the monster trucks. He loved them. That was his favorite thing. So, okay. So now let's do some dirt first. So, actually, let's do my monster truck. I think I'm gonna do this guy. He's kind of cute. Oops. Okay. I was worried that I missed the top of his head. So that's why I went back and did a second scrape. Normally I don't. I try not to. Because every time I do, then I mess them up. So, but I missed the top of his head. So I wanted to get that. Okay, so we got him. And now I'm going to do a dirt pile. Because I'm going to get him up on the dirt pile, I think. Like so. So we can get rid of that. And that. I think, because the magnets are usually, they're bigger than I anticipate half the time. So I think I'll have lots of room. So, let's clean this baby up. Okay. I'm going to put that aside for the moment because I want to color in my my stamps. Hang on one sec. Okay, so I got a few different browns. So I am going to put them on my palette. I think I'm going to do the 3 different ones. And I'm just going to kind of go for it. And put them in. So I'm kind of doing like a bit of a gradient kind of. Trying to move it around without getting too. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to look good, but. and it's dirt. So dirt never looks pretty, right? So there. Look, it's kind of like marbly different colors. I kind of like that. I'm missing a couple spots over here, so I'm just gonna tap it in. Turn it over. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Clean my brush. 1 second. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab some white. I want to do his eyeballs. And like so. And then I want to do teeth. So I'm going to just carefully go in and dot in teeth. Turn them over. Oh, it went over a little bit on the one, but that's okay. Okay. Now I gotta pick out colors, so hang on 1 sec. Okay, so I'm gonna make him green because you know he's a dinosaur. But I'm gonna do a couple different colors. So first off, I'm gonna do his little horns. So I'm just kind of dotting in, so that way I'm not smushing the image. Okay, I'm gonna do his little nostrils. And I'm gonna do the bottom of him in the dark green. Okay, rinse off. I'm gonna do this lighter green. This is one of my favorite greens too. I'm so swamped. So now we're going to go in and color him. So I'm just going to carefully move the polish. Don't touch the stamper, because you don't want to accidentally pull up the image, because then you got to start all over and it's a pain in the butt. And because I've already done his eyes, I can go right over them. I can turn the stamper around so it's a little more comfortable. So I'm going to turn the stamper a little bit more. Okay. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. Okay. Now, I grabbed silver. This is, what is it? Silver Stallion. It's one of my favorite silvers. Actually, I haven't used this one in a while. I've had this one for eons. That and the gold are two ones that I really like. So I'm just going to do his undercarriage in silver here. Whoops, don't go in. I just went in the green. It's like, whoopsie. We're going to do, and then I want to do his hubcap silver. And then inside, like his other parts of this undercarriage there. Now, for his tires, I don't really want to do black because then I won't be able to see them as well. So I think I might mix a little bit of black with the white so that it's more gray. So it's a little easier. Oops. Did I get? Yeah. I'm gonna add a little more white. There. Because if I don't have a color, I'll just mix it in. So I got way too much on my brush, but I don't want to waste all this polish, so I'm going to be careful and color the tires. Ta-da! You look so cute. Okay, let me clean up this mess. We'll go on to the next step. Hang on. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I kind of want to break this color up a bit. I kind of want to add some texture. Now, I'm going to do the paper towel trick that I learned from Robin. And I think it's fabulous for doing colors or like textures. So I've got my 3 browns. So we're just going to kind of add, oops, damn it, a little too much. So I'm going to scrape this way. And then pick up my magnet. And I'm kind of, oops, I shouldn't have done it like that. Oh, this one polish has got like a shimmer in it. Don't know if I like that. So we're gonna I keep putting my magnet or my my ruler down, and so I'm just kind of picking up the different textures. Well, that's kind of funky. I'm kind of liking that. Even with the shimmer. Yeah, I forgot this Naughty Nudes polish. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a shimmer in it. But that's okay. It is what it is. Okay, one sec. Okay, so now I want to add my dinosaur and my dirt pile to my magnet. I'm going to add some sticky base coat. I'm going to put it on this makeup sponge. I had some gold here, so I'm going to do it on here. So I'm thinking probably good. So now kind of want my dirt pile about there. And I'm going to take my guy, and he just jumped the pile. Okay, so now I want to add some of these. So now what I want to do is a little dirt never hurt is kind of cool. Hang on, I gotta decide. Hang on. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with a little dirt didn't hurt. Or actually, let's get muddy, kind of sounds good. I don't know. Let's go with a little dirt never hurt. I kind of want to look at it. It's the problem when there's so many cute little designs or sayings. It's like, which one do I pick? So, a little dirt never hurt. And then I'm thinking I'm going to put a track up here, like a tire mark, but maybe like this one. And I'm thinking a dark brown would look kind of cool. So let's do this one. I didn't get the whole track, so it's probably going to look horrible. Yeah, let's try that again. Okay. Okay, so I want to get rid of this. Seems like the polish is separating on my stamper. I think it's cute. Okay. Okay, I kind of, sorry, I was kind of staring at it and I'm like, I think this is kind of cute. I kind of like it. And I like, it actually separated so it's not like a full-on track, but with the background, I actually think it looks kind of cute. And I don't know if you guys are getting glare or not. Okay, so I'm just going to let this dry for a little bit, then I'm going to top coat. I will come back with a final look for you, but I'm happy with this and I'm so excited for this plate. I want to do more. I think this, gonna do like a bunch of them. I think they're adorable. Okay, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I base coated and top coated, and I think this magnet turned out adorable. I love it. The only thing I'm a little kind of hesitant about is the little bit of shimmer from that one polish, but you know what? It is what it is. It's not bad. It's like, it doesn't make it look ugly or anything, but I think it's cute though. I love this plate. It's so adorable. And I love this little magnet. It's so cute. Anyway, so I will have some swatch photos for you. I'll have products listed down below. But thanks for hanging out with me while I did this magnet. I can't wait. I want to do all the monster trucks. I think they're adorable. Okay. Stay tuned. I'll have swatch photos. I'll have Daisy and Pippa. And yeah. Love you guys. And remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. See, they like their wet food. It's dinner. They always have dry food. It's like they're starving or something. Right? Are you guys starving? Starving little beasties?